Hi, I'll be demonstrating the setup for continuous integration using AWS and Jenkins for the Snake Remake project. Of course, this process automates code testing and builds with providing immediate feedback through email notification. I started by setting up a AWS EC2 instance to host Jenkins. After configuring security groups, installing Jenkins, Java, and Maven, and also um, creating an Elastic IP for stable connectivity. I connected Jenkins to my GitHub repository. Uh, so Jenkins will automatically pull the updated code. So here's Jenkins. It's configured for the Snake remake project. The build process includes Maven commands to clean, compile, and test the code. Jenkins also is set up to send email notifications for both the build successes and failures. So, pretty much with all that being said, here's the code. I'm going to trigger a failure. I'm just going to do a simple comment out of the code. That'll do it. Save it. And then I like using Git Bash, so I'm already in the Git Bash directory for the project. So then I like to get the status of the project. It says what file has been modified. So then we'll stage that file, and then we'll comment it. We'll commit uh, reset method. Comment. Do that. Get that set up, and then now we'll push it to GitHub. And then once GitHub gets it, of course, Jenkins is going to pull it. So here's our GitHub. And then now Jenkins is going to pull it, and then you'll see it right here. There it goes. And it's failed. So then now that it gives us a fail, it should give us an email saying that it failed. Here's our fail in the email. And then in the email, it'll tell us where it failed. Like right here. And then here we go. Pretty much the same thing what our email sent us, but I mean it's in Jenkins. So then we see where our project failed for the method reset. So then now, let's say somebody sees it, and then we're gonna just go back to fix it. So with all that information that's given to us, we find our issue. We'll uncomment our method, save it, and then now we'll go to our git bash, get status. Of course, not necessary, but I like seeing it, seeing what's been modified. And so then now git add, and then we'll get commit. And then now we'll push it. That'll go to the GitHub, and then that'll trigger Jenkins to pull it from the GitHub, and then we'll see it being pulled right there. The process is going, and there we have it. There, it passes all our tests. and then we should get a email notification on everything's back to normal. There we go.